focus is foreplay for manifestation. I tease the reality I want until it begs to happen. My attention is the touch that turns everything on. I am seducing my future into the present moment. I undress my reality with a single glance of certainty. It shivers under the weight of my expectation. I look at my desire like I already own it. The universe loves it when I take control. I hold the mental image like prolonged eye contact. The tension builds and the timeline shortens. I do not break the gaze until I get what I came for. My mind is locked in, and the chemistry is instant. I enjoy the wanting as much as the having. The build-up is delicious, and the release is guaranteed. I sit in the pleasure of knowing it is done. My confidence is the most attractive thing about me. I do not chase, I simply hold the stare. My reality blushes and hands over exactly what I wanted.